Meaning of dentition.
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 Dentition. Dentition refers to the development and arrangement of teeth in the mouth. It is a process that typically begins during infancy and continues into early adulthood. During this time, baby teeth are replaced by permanent teeth, and the dental arches gradually expand to accommodate them. The type and number of teeth vary among different species, and dentition can be used to classify animals into different groups. Understanding dentition is important for maintaining oral health and diagnosing dental problems, as well as for studying evolution and ecology of animals.